Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will be subtracting decimals. 2.79 minus 1.82, or 2 and 79 hundredths minus 1 and 82 hundredths. Let's start by creating a model of 2 and 79 hundredths, or 2.79. We need 2 ones, or 2 wholes. We need 7 tenths. And we need 9 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's start by subtracting the digits in the hundredths place. In the hundredths place, we have 9 minus 2. Let's subtract 2. 1, 2. We notice that we still have 7 hundredths. Now let's subtract the digits in the tenths place. We have 7 tenths minus 8 tenths. We notice that we don't have enough to subtract 8 tenths. Let's regroup a whole, a 1, into tenths. We know that this whole is made out of 10 tenths. Let's regroup a 1 into 10 tenths. Now we have 10 more tenths. 7 and 10 makes 17 tenths. And now we only have one whole. Now we can subtract 17 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We still have 9 tenths. Let's drop down the decimal. Now we can subtract the wholes, or the ones. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. That means we have 0. The difference is 0.97, or 0.97, or 97 hundredths. Let's try 6.56 minus 4.31, or 6 and 56 hundredths minus 4 and 31 hundredths. Let's start by creating a model of 6.56, or 6 and 56 hundredths. We need 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 wholes. We need 5 tenths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's start by subtracting the digits in the hundredths place. In the hundredths place, we have 6 minus 1. Let's subtract 1. Now we have 5 hundredths. Now let's subtract the digits in the tenths place. In the tenths place, we have 5 minus 3. 5 tenths minus 1, 2, 3. We still have 2 tenths left. Let's drop down the decimal. Now we have 6 minus 4. We have 6 wholes, or 6 ones, and let's subtract 4. We still have 2. The difference is 2.25, or 2 and 25 hundredths.